Yeah, we have actually been quite busy. There has been an uptick in search activity, especially in particular themes, right? If you think about the market today, there's been a significant amount of consolidation in the industry. There's a significant amount of, I don't want to be the doom and gloom person, but some fee pressure within the traditional long only asset management space. So if you think about those extraneous factors and how they come in and influence an organizational strategy, as especially as it pertains to recruitment, it leads you down naturally a path of differentiation, thinking about profitability and also being aware of organizational risks. So when you take the track of asset management, we have been particularly busy as it pertains to um, analytics, the incorporation of different quantitative tools into an investment process. And that can be at the security level of how are you actually perhaps maybe even going down the path of, some people use the phrase quantamental. Are you building in or incorporating in AI strategies? Are you bringing in machine learning, systematic approaches? There's been a fair amount of machine learning work incorporated into a lot of our hedge fund clients, as well as some of our traditional long only clients, thinking about ways to use information advantages for the pursuit of return. If you think about differentiation in terms of platforms, you're also seeing a rise of solutions. So asset managers that are trying to approach clients in a very different way, in a very customized and bespoke way, in a way that usually I'm speaking from an institutional perspective, largely even retail. What are your objectives? What are your unique needs? And how do we match up against it? So it's no longer a case of, asset managers having a product, typically that they're pushing without there being some semblance of a reflection on how this fits into a purpose. So that's been a very large component of our work as well. And then beyond that, it's the infrastructure. To Tim's point, it's the infrastructure of the businesses that we work within as well. So risk management, compliance, technology and operations builds or enhancements. How do you utilize data in a differentiated way? How are you incorporating in analytics? And that can be not only, as I've talked about, with regard to your investment process, but it also can be a very meaningful part of your go-to-market strategy. So incorporating it into marketing and distribution. So those are generally the biggest themes that we're seeing, and it's been a very actively positioned search market.
Great. How long has it been active, would you say? When did it start picking up?
I would say in these themes, distribution is always in demand, right? The profitability of firms and the positioning around the increase in net new assets is always in demand. But I would say probably for the past maybe 2 years or so,